Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we will start exercise 3.3 and we will also study about the laws of logarithm. Can you see the lecture on the screen? Okay. Uh,
Yes, miss.
Laws of logarithm. Dear student, there are three laws. Uh, we shall state and prove the three laws which enable us to simplify numerical calculation. First law, it is like it's also the formula, and it will be applicable and useful uh, in further exercises. Okay, this laws. Log, when we have log a m n, then when we have log and terms are in multiplication sign, then it will be equal to log a m plus log n. Here when the two terms are multiplying with logarithm, logarithm के साथ दो term जब आपस में multiply हो रही होती हैं, then it will equate and open log am, and in the middle you will write plus form plus and log an. Okay, the numbers which are multiplying in the bracket and outside the logarithm symbol is written, so it means that it will be equal to log am plus log an. Okay, so here proof is that let's suppose log a of m is equal to x and log a of n is equal to y. क्लास यहाँ पे इन्होंने प्रूव किया है. देन दिस इज द logarithmic form and here you have a exponent form. Are you getting my point students? ये आपको समझ आ रहा है?
Yes,
Okay, this is logarithm form and this is exponent form. So here m and n are multiplying, these are all multiplying, so that's why their basis means right hand side multiplying, so left hand side also multiplying form. So basis same, powers add, it become the rules of indices and proof. Okay, next, we don't need to prove that, just see the laws. Okay, because the proof is not required in our syllabus. So the logarithm of the product of two numbers is the sum of their logarithm. Class, very important. Logarithm of the product, when the terms are numbers or terms are multiplying in the bracket, inside the bracket, and before the bracket log is given, then it will be equal to sum of their logarithm. Okay, means log a of m plus log a of n. Okay, second law, when the two numbers are dividing with each other, two numbers are in fraction form, so they are so uh, the division, or we can say that the fraction form of logarithm is equal to difference between the logarithm numbers. ये देखिए यहाँ पे numbers of their logarithm, when the terms are in fraction form means m upon n, denominators और numerator is involved, तो ये इक्वल होगा log a of m minus log a of n. देयर इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ साइन, पहले वाले में वो मल्टीप्लाई है, प्रोडक्ट है तो सम हो जाएगा, और डिवाइड डिवीजन फॉर्म में है तो डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स?
yes, miss.
You can say that logarithm of the quotient of the two numbers, logarithm of the quotient of the two numbers is the difference of their logarithm. Okay, or you can say logarithm of the fraction of the two numbers is the difference of their logarithm. The we have third law we have, when if log, just a second, third law, yes, this is third law. Log a of m power n means if the number has any power before the log, so it will be if the number raised to the power, number has any power, then it will be written before the log. मगर अगर हमारे पास किसी नंबर के ऊपर पावर है तो ये रूल होता है मैथ्स में, लोगैरिथम से पहले उस पावर को लिखा जाता है, जस्ट लाइक दिस एज यू कैन सी. लेट्स सपोज इफ वी हैव logarithm of 5 raised to the power 6, then it will be equal to 6. Power is written
Six.
will be written before the log. Log of a
5.
and 5. Done a class? Is there any confusion?
No, miss.
Okay, and then let's see the example. So here you have given example, the logarithm of a number raised to the power. A statement is that logarithm of a number raised to the power n is the product of exponent and the logarithm of the number. Means you can see that after equality sign and number, which is power form, and log are the product of the number. Okay class, now see the question example number 1. You have given express log a x cube z 4 upon 5 in terms of log of x and log of z. आपको इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, ड्राइव करना है. सो हियर क्लास यू कैन फेस both many formula laws can be 1 to 2, may be possible 2 laws involving at a time on this question. Just like here, first of all, you can see that I will solve here. You can see we have two terms. First you see that we have two given terms in product form. Don't see the power, just focus. Right now you will be 4 upon 5. Okay, so now you can see that the two numbers are in product form, and as we know that when the numbers are in product with logarithm, so it will be equate with the sum of their logarithm. Okay, ये वाला formula यहाँ पे applicable होगा, just like this. When we open we will write it log a. It's a symbol of logarithm way. Okay, we will use it log a plus it's log 4 upon 5. Okay, and log b according to law 1, product of the two numbers will be is the sum of their logarithm number. Is there any confusion class? यहाँ पे कोई problem है आपको?
No, miss.
Okay, now we have opened the formula law number 1. There is no simplification possibility to simplify, but we know that according to law number 3, अब यहाँ पर आप देखें when the power is on the number, so it will be equal to n log of am, means it will be equal to the product of power and logarithm of the number. ये देखिए power will be written before the logarithm, as like I am doing log of a and x. In the same way next term की क्या होगा बताइए आयशा, tell me. Hello Aisha, give me answer dear.
4 upon 5
Very good. Yes,
log
log of
A
and
then Z.
okay, very good. This is answer of question number 1. Okay, so now here question number 2, example number 2, we have uh, simplify log of a 75 upon 16 minus log of a 5 upon 9 plus log of a 32 upon 49. You can see that the question is in fraction form or in quotient form. So अब यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे class? Here you can see that no, पहले ना हम इसको solve before see this example. we direct go on exercise 3.3 for your, ये ना हम डायरेक्ट एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करते हैं. Just a second. Yes, here is our exercise. Express the following logarithm in terms of log a of x, log a of y, and log a. Means we will simplify the terms, and you can see the question number 1 is in fraction form. Question 1 हमारे पास fraction form में है. So we know if this will solve first log 2. ये देखिए अब now log of a, I am opening the question number 1 with the help of law 2. ये law number 2 से solve होगा because the fraction form is involved in question number 1. ये fraction form है and we know that fraction form, यहाँ पे ये देखिए, whatever the terms on numerator, just see that law according to law number 2, log a minus log b, when the terms are in fraction form. यहाँ पे कोई confusion आयशा?
No, miss.
Okay, this is law according to law number 2. Okay, so now in first term, you can see in first term the two numbers are also in product form. अब ये product form में भी हैं. So according to law number 2, law number 1, अब यहाँ पे law number 1 applicable है. law number 1 कैसे है? क्योंकि numbers आपस में यहाँ पे first bracket में plus में है. Okay, so then open the bracket and multiply and add the, just like this, log a, it become log a plus,
Log A Z2.
very good, it become log a of b. Okay, and third term we will write as it is that time. अभी हम इसको as it is इसलिए लिख रहे हैं क्योंकि सबके साथ लेके हम solve करेंगे. Okay, now according to law number 3, when the power is on the number, it will be written before the logarithm. Okay, it will become a product of logarithm of the number. Here there is no power on the y, so we will write the second term as it is, and
Log A
then last term will be 3
Y3
log of a
log A
z. Okay,
Z.
is there any confusion, Aisha?
No, miss.
No? Okay. Let's come to the question number 2. Question number 2 we have under root log of a under root x y square z. Okay. So for applying law of logarithm, we will make a whole power x y square x y square and under root power is equal to 1 upon 2. यहाँ तो कोई confusion? In place of square root, we will write the value of power of root. Okay, we know that square root is equal to 1 upon 2 power. Okay, now class, and we know that according to law number 3, power will be written with the product form. It becomes log of a and then x y square and z. Is there any confusion, class?
No, miss.
Okay, 1 upon 2 we will write as it is, make a square bracket, and then you can see that the three terms are in product form with logarithm. So when we open the bracket according to law number 1, it become the sum of the logarithm of their number, like log a of x plus log,
Y.
yes, log a of y
Y.
square, y raised to the power 2, okay, and plus log
Log Z.
log a of
A. Z.
z. Very good. Okay. uh, 1 upon 2 is multiplying with whole three terms. Okay, ये तीनों multiply हो रहा है तीनों terms से. So
Yes.
here we will open the bracket and multiplying 1 upon 2 with the whole terms, and then 1 upon 2. Okay, now class, in second term you can see that power is also on the y, so we will write 2 here, and 2 ones are, when we open the bracket, 1 upon 2 is involving with whole three term, so it become 2 ones are 2 and upon 2. Is there any confusion? 1 upon 2 is also multiplying with the involving with the terms. ये समझ आया है यहाँ पे मैंने क्या सॉल्व किया है क्लास,
Yes,
हाउ आई
miss.
डिड इट. 1 upon 2 1 upon 2 will be multiplied by whole three terms, okay, and then z, okay. So 2 cancel from 2, it become 1 upon 2 log a of x, log a of
A of X
x plus
plus
log y,
log Y
and then plus
plus 1 upon 2
1 upon 2 log
log A
z.
of Z.
Okay. Exercise 3.3 is my most favorite exercise because it's like a derivation. If you know the rules and regulations and laws and power method, then you can derive the each question easily, smoothly. Is there any confusion, class?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is also here question number C has root of root, okay, cube root and dividing form, okay. यहाँ पे ये in the middle you can see that division form. First log a, we will write in a quotient form like cube root and x inverse. Okay, I will write directly just like this, class. I am opening the cube root, okay, log bracket, in place of cube root I will write 1 upon 3 x inverse, and it become y cube square root है ना, तो ये मैं it become 3 upon 2. Why? Because square root has value power 1 upon 2, and inside the root you can see that 3. It becomes 3 upon 2 bracket and 1 upon 3. Why 1 upon 3? Because there is a power on square root. आप देख सकते हैं रूट के ऊपर पावर है, तो इसलिए ये बन जाएगा. यहाँ तो कोई कंफ्यूजन है आयशा आपको, तो प्लीज मुझे बताइए.
No, miss.
अपॉन हेयर क्लास, ये लॉग से पहले लिखा हुआ है, ओके. अपॉन, एक सेकेंड, ये लॉग को मैं जरा थोड़ा सा इनसे दूर करके लिख दूं. नाउ log is involved with both quotient terms, okay. log जो है इस पूरी टर्म के साथ इन्वॉल्व है, and yes upon y cube x power half and whole power 1 upon 2. ये दोनों के ऊपर पावर क्या हो जाएगी 1 upon 2. यहाँ पर अब मैंने क्या करना है, नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ नंबर 2. अब हम लॉ नंबर 2 के मुताबिक इसकी ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे. देन इट बिकम, अभी क्या हो जाएगा, लॉग, इट बिकम x इनवर्स y
पुरानी क्लास
3 upon
है
yes yes
उठा
Aisha
रही
yes Aisha
यस मिस
okay it become log and then minus log y power what is the power of y cube x power half and whole power we have 1 upon 2. Is there any confusion class? यहाँ पे कोई problem है आपको?
नो मिस
Okay. Now you can see the first term is in product form, but before product opening the bracket, there is a whole power. So we will write whole power before the log, just like this. It become 1 upon 3 log x inverse y 3 upon 2, right? And then minus log sorry 1 upon 2 will be written before. यहाँ पे पहले हम 1 upon 2 लिखेंगे because there is whole power involving 1 upon 2 log whole bracket y cube x 1 upon 2 like this. Okay, next step बताइए आयशा. How should we solve first step? First step किस तरह solve होगा? First term. Hello, Aisha.
यस मिस वन अपॉन 3
Solve.
लोग
Hmm? We will write 1 upon 3 as it is. You can see that the power is in product form. So we will solve it according to law number 1. It become log x inverse and plus log
वाई
y 3 upon 2. यहाँ तक confusion है कोई?
नो मिस
Okay. Now 1 upon 2 will be written as it is because we are not multiplying that time 1 upon 2 because law of log is applying here. Second term also a product form, so we will solve it according to law number 1. So it become, yes Aisha, tell me. It become log
वाई
y cube plus
प्लस
hmm,
एक्स
uh, no, log x 1
अपॉन
upon 2,
1 अपॉन 2
right? So now class, open the brackets and multiplying 1 upon 3 with first term and also solve the power issues, just like I am opening the bracket and involving the 1 upon 3 also, like 1 upon 3. As you can see, power is on the number, so we will multiplying upon 3 with -1. ये देखिए, ये इस तरह से लिख दिया जाएगा. Okay, it will be written, and then log of x. We need to make our independent from the power, not independent, we need to make power 1 of. Okay, now it become 1 upon 3 because bracket is open. When we open the bracket, 1 upon 3 will be multiplied by the whole two terms, and y has already power, so it will written like this, 3 upon 2. Aisha, are you getting my point?
यस मिस
And then we will write log of y. Okay, and here there is a little 1 upon 2 will be multiplied by second term, second bracket, and y raised power cube, so it will be written in product form like this, and log of y. Now minus is written before the bracket, so when we simplify the bracket, open the bracket, minus sign, change the bracket sign, just like minus plus minus 1 upon 2, and written, and x already has also 1 upon 2, we will write it in the product form, 1 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 2, and log of x. Is there any confusion? See this step very carefully, very important step here, because it's a simplified form and many students does the mistake on this step, so don't need to make sure very carefully when you solve this. So here Aisha, is there any confusion? यहाँ तक कोई
No,
confusion?
miss.
Because I'm going to raise the step number 1. Step number 1 को मैं raise करने वाली हूँ. Okay, then just a second, because let me clear this space for further. Now class, it when we simplified it, minus 1 1 the minus 1 upon 3 log of x. Okay, log of x. Okay, and here plus, as you can see 3 cancel from 3, because ये fraction form में थे, reciprocal हैं, they are reciprocal with each other, reciprocal of multiplication, so 3 cancel from 3 and it become 1 upon 2 log of y. Is there any confusion? I hope you are understanding. If you have any confusion, then you can ask with me. Okay, it becomes 3 1 the 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 log of y. Okay, and then minus 1 1 the 1 and 2 2 the 4, so it become log 1 upon 4 log of x. Can you tell me next step, Aisha? आप मुझे next step बता सकती हैं? क्या करेंगे?
1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 log.
We will write x term with together. Okay, just like this.
Yes.
Take out common. 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4, and log of x is common, so we will write like this. Okay,
Yeah.
and in the same way, plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 upon 2. We will write it together inside the bracket, and outside the bracket we will write log of y. Is there any confusion, Aisha?
No, miss.
So last step we will have, just a second. Yes, last step we will do it. Take LCM 3 and 4. When you take the LCM of the denominator, answer will be 12. जब आप इसका LCM लेंगे, answer 12 आएगा, because we are not the multiple of common number, so LCM will be the product of the number. When we don't have, जब हमारे पास हम देखते हैं, when we see the denominators are not the common multiple, ये दोनों एक दूसरे के टेबल में नहीं आते, तो LCM would be product of their number, and cross multiplication is involved. Minus 4 1 the 4, minus 3 1 the 3, and then log of x. And here you can see that the denominators are same, so LCM will be 2, and 1 minus 3 and log of y. Class, here, just a second, let me clear this space. Okay, now आंसर वुड बिकम, अब बताइए मुझे आयशा, मुझे आंसर बताइए प्लीज, क्या लिखेंगे अब हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके?
-4
माइनस, नो, -7/12, माइनस माइनस प्लस,
plus
-7/12 प्लस 1 minus 3, -2 become -1. यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा? -1 हो जाएगा. Why? Because 1 minus 3 क्या होता है? Just like this, 1 minus 3 become -2. -2/2 से कैंसिल होके क्या हो जाएगा क्लास? -1 log of
y.
y. And we have solved our question number 3. Done, class?
Yes.
Okay. Now it's enough. And further questions, you can, question number 4 is same, just like question number 4 is in fraction form. First you will open it according to the law number 2, just like log a of x, x under root y cube. I am solving half question, and further question you will solve it by yourself. Question number 4 will be written log x, y has root, so it will be written y. Inside the power you can see 2, 3, and upon it will be written 2. 1/2, okay, is the power of root, so inside the bracket you have 3 on the 3/2. ये समझ आया मैंने क्यों लिखा है? Why I write this? Because power means, and you can see that it will be equal like this, power cube 1/2. It becomes 3 1 the 3/2, and then now whole power in denominator you can see whole power is cube, so will be written, अच्छा ये पूरा ना log is z, ये पूरी टर्म के साथ है, z square x5 whole power is 1/3. Is there any confusion? Now open the according to law number 2, it become log a, you can consider the numerator term as a term, okay, log a minus, because fraction form of the logarithm is equal to the difference of the logarithm. Log of z square and x5
x5
and whole power 1/3. Is there any confusion?
No, miss.
Now you can see that first term is in the product form, and first term is in product form, so open the bracket and apply the law number 1. It becomes sum plus log y 3/2. Okay, and then minus, now Aisha, you can see that before applying the law number 2, we will apply first law number 3, because whole power will be written before the log, and then open the bracket with the help of, by the help of law 2, so it become z square. Okay, I am not multiplying right now, 1/3 with the whole bracket, and then plus and log x of y. Is there any confusion, Aisha?
No, miss.
Okay. And now it become log of x
Plus
plus, it will be written as it is, okay?
log
Y 3 upon
2.
2. Now Aisha open the bracket and multiply 1 upon 3. 2 1 the 2 upon 3, because power is on the number term, so we will multiply it log of that minus minus plus minus, and 5 1 the 5 upon 3. Aisha, see the step. If you have any confusion, ask with me. Okay, now Aisha, tell me next step. Here, tell
Log
me.
x
Log x and 5 upon 3 will be written together. Like it has power, it has one term, it has coefficient is 1. It will be written 1 minus 5 upon 3 log of x. Okay,
yeah,
log of x plus, yes Aisha,
2 upon 3
3 upon 2 dear. Y 3 upon 2
plus
log of y. There is no another term of log of y, so it will be written as it is, and there will be
2
no
upon
also.
2 upon log of z.
Yes, they will be written same. ये दोनों सेम लिखे जाएंगे क्योंकि they have no another term like
And
z
then
log of z and log of y. So now further step you can solve it by yourself. अब आप पहले वाले को सिंप्लीफाई, इनको सिंप्लीफाई कर दीजिएगा, सॉल्व कर लीजिएगा, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. एंड नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. आई एम टेलिंग यू वर्बली, और आप लोग ये खुद होमवर्क करेंगे. पावर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट. ये देखिए, ये डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ये जो है ना, इसका लिखिए log a upon log b. Okay class, we will solve this question number 5 in next class. Okay, ये हम next class में
Yes.
solve करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. कल मैं आपको ये समझाऊंगी. So आपको homework है, today's your homework is 1 2 3 and okay, done. Okay,
Yes.
okay, end of the class. Aisha, before ending the class, please make a record your video of 5 minutes in green and white dress about 14th August. It is very important, and send
Yes.
it to me. Okay, Aisha?
Yes,
Okay,
miss.
I'll wait. आप 1 घंटे के अंदर मुझे बना के सेंड करें. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Yes.